Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'awzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-E-Imran. كنتم خير أمة أخرجت للناس تأمرون بالمعروف وتنهون عن المنكر وتؤمنون بالله ولو آمن أهل الكتاب لكان خيرا لهم منهم المؤمنون وأكثرهم الفاسقون. Translation: You are the best nation ummah that has been evolved for mankind. You command to do the right and forbid from evil, and you believe in Allah. And if the people of the book had believed, it would have been better for them. Some of them are believers, but most of them are disobedient evildoers. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned that Ummat Muhammadi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is the best ummah among all ummahs. And the reason of this ummah to be the best ummah is that this ummah command to do the right thing and forbid from the evil. And this is an extremely important thing to understand, that Amr bil Ma'ruf wa Nahi anil Munkar, meaning commanding to do the right thing and forbidding from the evil, is the characteristic of Ummat Muhammadi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, and every person in this ummah must do that. Now today we see that calling someone towards good may be done, but forbidding someone from the bad things, from the evil, is extremely hard to say. And if you tell someone that, brother, you are doing this thing wrong, it is expected that he may retaliate and he may curse you and say bad things to you, and that is the time to do the sabr, to have the patience. Now, how can we understand that this is a very important thing to do? And this could be understood by a famous hadith of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, narrated by Hazrat Jabir radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu, that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded Jibreel alayhi salam that flip that so and so town upside down. Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam said, "Oh Allah, in that town there is that man, that slave of yours, who has never disobeyed you by the amount of a blink of an eye. Should I include him also in this punishment?" Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded Jibreel alayhi salam that, yes, flip the town upside down on him first, then on the other people, because the color of his face never changed whenever my commandments were broken in front of him. Meaning that he was only busy in his worship and trying to get his ibadat and everything, but he never did the Amr bil Ma'ruf wa Nahi anil Munkar, and around him everyone was breaking the commandments of Allah, but he did not call the people towards the good and did not stop them from doing the evil. And the people of the book did not do this as well, and that is the reason that they are mentioned here, that they are not believers, except a very few among them. In another hadith, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that, "I swear upon the one who has my soul that you must do Amr bil Ma'ruf wa Nahi anil Munkar, otherwise it is very possible that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will send punishment over you, and then you will pray to him and he will not accept your prayers." It means that if somebody is not forbidding from evil and calling towards the good, he will have the punishment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and when the punishment comes and he will pray, his prayers will not be accepted. So the message from this ayah we must take, that we are created, we are evolved because of the mankind, for the mankind. Our goal and our characteristic must be calling people toward goodness and stopping them from the evil. All the nations are busy for their betterment, but the Ummah Muhammadi sallallahu alaihi wasallam must remain busy for the betterment of the whole humanity. And this point is extremely important to understand. Oh Allah, make us among those who do Amr bil Ma'ruf wa Nahi anil Munkar. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.